Hello children. Here we see the names of vehicles. This is bicycle. What is the name of this vehicle? This is bicycle. Bicycle. What is this? This is motorcycle. The name of the vehicle is motorcycle. This is motorcycle. The name of this vehicle is car. What is this? This is car. Tell me. This is car. The name of the vehicle is police car. What is this? This is police car. The name of the vehicle is police car. This is school bus. What is this? This is school bus. Tell me. This is school bus and this is bus. The name of the vehicle is bus. What is this? This is bus. And now here we see the vehicle which is called the truck. What is this? This is truck. Here we see the vehicle fire truck. Fire truck. The name of the vehicle is fire truck. This is ambulance. The name of the vehicle is ambulance. What is this? This is ambulance. Here we see the vehicle taxi. The name of the vehicle is taxi. Tell me. This is taxi. Here we see tractor. The name of the vehicle is tractor. What is this? This is tractor. Here we see the name of the vehicle is train. What is this? This is train. This is boat. What is this? This is boat. Boat. This is helicopter. Helicopter flies in the sky. What is this? This is helicopter. Helicopter. This is submarine. What is this? This is submarine. This is submarine. Thank you for watching this video, kids. Subscribe.